So this is Daksh.
Hi.
So this is what we got the gift from Daksh Nu Fai, and it's called what it's called National Geographic Marble Run.
Glow in the dark.
Yeah, so it glows in the dark. So we got this toy for him in a gift, and there was no instruction in the box, kind of. So we didn't know how to make it. So at that time, we were looking like the other YouTube videos, and when we saw one of the video and it showed us how to make it, but it wasn't like these. It was a different way of doing it. But anyway, we did that. We enjoyed that. We made it. However, after that, Daksh, he just made it this one on his own. So that's his own pattern.
Yes.
We there may be this kind of same pattern exists in the video somewhere else. Someone else made it, but he made these by himself without seeing any videos or anything. Just that he was trying to make something, and then he really made it. So now he's gonna demonstrate that in front of you guys. So go ahead, Daksh.
Okay, so first
Get,
I'm gonna light them up.
okay. And where did you get the light from?
It came with the box.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do them again because it's not so much.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna put them one by one.
Very nice.